encontramos en esta oportunidad en los ambientes de J.R. Guaira Producciones con la presencia de las personas que han hecho posible el trabajo musical del conjunto Lirios de Llata. Cusi, luego de haber finalizado este proyecto del conjunto Lirios de Llata, ¿cuál crees tú que es el objetivo y el aporte cultural a nuestros pueblos?
Ari ariki kuna miriki llankay kuniko kay Lirios de Llata nisqanchikwan. Imarayku paykunan llapa takikunata riki ruwachkanku llaqtanchikunamanta markanchikunamanta. Paykunan kay takikunata ruwarqaku apunchikunamanta, chaynallataq llaqtanchikunapa kusikuyninmanta, imaynan kawsayninkupi kasqankunmanta. Chaynallataqmi riki warmachakuna, wawachakuna, maqta sipaskuna, pashña waynakuna riqsinankupaq, ama qunqanankupaq, paykuna wiñanchanankupaq, paykunapas tuskunankupaq, paykunapas riqsinankupaq. Chaynallataqmi riki kunan pachakunapiqa manaña kuyanchikñachu kay takinchikunata, qunqachkanchikña. Hinallataqmi riki mama pachanchikta llumpayta wajachichkanchik. Llumpayta manaña ñuqanchik kuyanchikñachu yakunchikunata, urqunchikunata. Chaynallataq hachachachkanchik llumpayta mama pachanchikta. Kay takikunan sunquchikta kusichiwasunchik llapan runakunapaq, kay Perú suyupi huk suyukunapipas. Chaynallataq Huamalies llaqtapaq, Huánuco llaqtapaq, chayachakanman pay.
Well, now we have some few words from Mr. Walter Castro about the last production that we realized over here in the studio of J.R. Productions. We're talking about the musical band from Huánuco, from Huamalies, in Peru, Lirios de Llata. Walter, what is the aim of this new musical project from the band Lirios de Llata from Huamalies, Huánuco-Perú?
Well, the aim of this production is we have three aims. The first is to set a value of this style of music that they play using the arpa and violin. We want to put the value of this music that maybe nobody knows. No? Maybe the most of the Peruvians don't know, even beyond, even worse. But in the region, this traditional band that play in the ceremonies, in the local parties in the region, they are very well known, and the music is really nice. So, and we want to put the value of this style of playing a violin and harp in the Andean way, and share with the people of the whole Peru, the whole Andean region, and the whole over the world. And the second aim is to honor this band, this Andean band, to honor. Why? Because this band is making a music for more than 40 years, playing together. So I think this is a value. We know that nowadays the bands and the groups of music, they just play for a couple of years, 5 years, 10 years, and they break up. But what values are behind of these people that make that they play together for so long? So that's why we can make a further studies of these people that is playing for more than 40 years. No? And that's why we make efforts together with wider productions, with people that want to help, no? to make this production, to honor these people that is from Huamalies, Huánuco-Perú. And the last but not the least is that also we want that the people from Peru, from the other regions of Peru and the whole Andean regions and all over the world know about Huamalies. We want to promote Huamalies as a region with a beautiful nature, with a long history, and a place where now everybody maybe can visit. People that live in Germany, people that live in Holland, people that live in United States, people that live in China, people that live in such a far away places, they can learn a bit about Huamalies, about their music, about the traditional food, about the nature, about the historical heritage, and they can come and to visit us and to enjoy our music and enjoy our way, our lifestyle. That was the three aims of this production.
So this means that you feel very happy about this project now. You feel realized. You feel with a lot of satisfaction about this project from today.
I feel more than happy. I feel fulfilled.
Oh,
I feel fulfilled.
great.
I feel fulfilled because we are putting just a bit of contribution. Just we are making a small contribution to put in value our whole Andean culture. And with this production, we are making our small contribution to this. I feel very happy about this production.
Well, Walter and Kusi, we are honored for you guys to be a part of this project. And we can say congratulations about all this situation, and we hope that we all, with this project, we can contribute to let the world know about a bit from Peru, a place with a lot of nature, nice people, nice food, and a paradise in the world. Thank you very much.